From the first moments of your day to when you are on your way to work on the bus, light rail, or subway, while you are enjoying all the little moments in life, we are creating a more comfortable, convenient, and better environment for you. We want to accompany you on your trips to near and far destinations and make your journey in your car, train, etc. more comfortable and pleasant. As a pioneer and leader in the field of transportation and refrigeration manufacturing in China, Jingyi has been dedicated for more than 30 years to the research and application of technologies and products for transportation of refrigeration equipment and core components. Jingyi continually promotes the growth and development of national transportation and the refrigeration industry. Keep improving. Jingyi Group. Skilled in business, beneficial to people. Founded in 1988, Jingyi Enterprise is a medium-sized enterprise group who focuses on transporting refrigeration equipment, developing core components. Jingyi has also coordinated the development of various enterprise groups. Jingyi is headquartered in a famous international airport city in Guangzhou, Huadu. Over the past 30 years, Jingyi has been focusing on the development of transportation and refrigeration industry chain. They started with the trade and industry and service of automobile air conditioning. In 1996, through continuous innovation and unremitting efforts, Jingyi entered the research, development, and manufacturing field of bus air conditioner. In 2005, it became a mainstream supplier in the air conditioning market of China and international passenger cars. In 2010, Jingyi's diversification strategy continued to advance, and the rail vehicle air conditioning and car air conditioning divisions were launched successively. In 2017, Jingyi Refrigerated Vehicles Business Department was formally established, marking the formal entry of Jingyi Group into the field of cold chain transportation. At the present, Jingyi Group manufacturing sector owns Guangzhou Jingyi Automobile Air Conditioning Company Limited, Guangzhou Jingbo Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited, and Guangzhou Jingyi Transportation Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited, Guangdong Jingyi Transportation and Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited, Guangdong Jingyi Special Vehicle Company Limited, and so on in all 7 wholly owned enterprises. These businesses cover passenger vehicle air conditioning, car air conditioning, rail air conditioning, car refrigerator, refrigerated car manufacturing, and other fields. The total area of production and operation is close to 300,000 square meters, with more than 1,100 employees. In addition, Jingyi has several domestic and overseas joint ventures. Total revenue of the group's wholly owned and holding enterprises exceeded RMB 2 billion in 2017. After 20 years of continuous construction and development, Jingyi Group formed the Huadu Huashan Base in Guangzhou, Guangzhou Huadu Tread Base, Guangdong Jiaoqing National High-Tech Zone Base, Guangdong Yangjiang Base, and many other wholly owned industrial bases. The total area of production and operation is nearly 500 acres, with good software and hardware and the industry's top delivery capacity. Guangzhou Huadu Tread Base is identified by Guangdong Development and Reform Commission as Guangdong Strategic Emerging Industry, Guangdong New Energy Electric Vehicle Air Conditioning Research and Development and Industrialization Base. Are also the first to have 4 industry-leading comprehensive performance test rooms for passenger car air conditioning, rail vehicle air conditioning, and vehicle refrigeration unit, as well as tests and verification methods, such as vibration test, rain test. Concentration makes a profession. Quality builds the brand. Jingyi has established a marketing service system covering the whole world. The Group Marketing Center has a team of more than 150 professional sales and service engineers and has established more than 20 offices and service centers in Beijing, Shanghai, Chongqing, etc. They have developed over 300 Jingyi special service providers domestically and overseas, with 24-hour, 7 days a week customer service. Jingyi Group is the first company in the industry to become a member of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and has established extensive and in-depth cooperation with more than 10 mainstream universities and research institutes in related fields in China. Jingyi is a national high-tech enterprise and has manufactured equipment for 100 key enterprises in Guangdong and is one of Guangzhou's excellent private enterprises. It has more than 100 core patents in the field of transportation refrigeration equipment and parts. As the most senior brand in the air conditioning industry of China's passenger cars, Jingyi Passenger Cars Air Conditioning have been leading the industry in key indicators such as energy efficiency ratio and cold-to-weight ratio. Jingyi initiated the research and development of new energy electric bus air conditioning products in 2002 and launched the third generation of pure electric bus air conditioning units in the world in 2007. Jingyi Conventional Energy and New Energy Bus Air Conditioning has more than 13 large series and nearly 200 specifications. It can fully meet the requirements of air conditioning system in different industries and different levels of demand and win the trust of global customers with excellent quality and performance. Through the acquisition of famous brand assets in the industry and the introduction of the high-level team, Jingyi Car Air Conditioning Division has achieved rapid development in recent years, with an annual output of 300,000 air conditioning systems, such as passenger cars, trucks, special vehicles, and engineering vehicles. At present, a series of air conditioners for large railway vehicles, locomotive air conditioners, metro air conditioners, trams, air trains, magnetic levitation trains, storage battery air conditioners, intercity and high-speed train air conditioners have been formed. It has integrated supply capacity for rail vehicle air conditioning, air duct, and control systems. The company has successively undertaken a series of projects. As the most senior brand in the air conditioning industry of China's passenger cars, Jingyi Passenger Cars Air Conditioning have been leading the industry in key indicators such as energy efficiency ratio and cold-to-weight ratio. During the 13th five-year plan period, based on the existing sound foundation, Jingyi will strengthen the two major sectors of vehicle refrigeration and rail transit. At the same time, it has fully entered the cold storage vehicle manufacturing, cold chain logistics, commercial cold storage, and other cold chain full industrial chain. There is an idea that is an interpretation of innovation. So we look at the world and keep up with the times. There is an attitude that is the attached to perfection. So we focus on the details and consolidate the quality. There is a type of service, which is the exchange of hearts. So we gather and listen to solve the problems. Jingyi set sail 30 years of dreams, igniting the development of China's transport refrigeration enterprises with innovative passion. Jingyi will focus on the research and application of transportation refrigeration technology for a long time and will be committed to making Jingyi Construction a global leading provider of product and service solutions in the field of international transportation refrigeration. Build hundreds of billions Jingyi. 100 years Jingyi.